how to buy star 10 token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure that you get X account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, and remember this token address is under the Base network. Now open your Base gateway for that, go to your wallet and select the Base network from here. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here, and click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and try to find your token that you just added called star 10. So after you find it, click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now with that, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, now with that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy star 10 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.